Since you're here, let's go over a few rules. First things first, if you're sitting in a green seat, you are going to get wet. Pull it up. Ah! Beautiful. Welcome to my atoll. Around here I'm known as the Sage. Everybody say hi, Sage! I'm in charge. If you need anything, you come see me. If I'm not available, these two gentlemen, they work for me. Over here to my left, your right. That is Jeff. Everybody say hi, Jeff! Over here, that is Omar. Everybody say hi, Omar! We're here to help you, to serve you. If you need anything, we have the people to talk to. Since you're here, let's go over a few rules. First things first, if you're sitting in a green seat, you are going to get wet. So take a moment and look down. Are you sitting in a green seat? You're going to get wet. If you're sitting in a silver seat, right behind a green seat, you have a lot of faith in gravity. So for instance, you're sitting in a green seat, and you've got a small child. You've got a haircut you don't want to get wet. Or an electronic device. And you don't want to get wet. Now is a good time to move. If you're sitting in a green seat and you don't speak English, have fun. What's your name? Jeremiah. Everybody say hi, Jeremiah. Jeremiah's not scared. He's sitting in the greens. He doesn't care. Jeremiah, here's the thing, man. One day you and I are hanging out in my atoll. We're hanging out. Why? Because we're friends, Jeremiah. We're having a sandwich, Jeremiah. When all of a sudden the waves get higher, the tide gets higher, and all of a sudden, a rogue wave comes to get you, Jeremiah. Hand on the swivel at all times, buddy. Hat. How you doing? Now that we got that out of the way, let's have a little bit of fun. I think my section right here can make a lot of noise. It's time to go to work. On the count of 3, I want everybody here, I want you to scream. I want you to clap. I want you to take small children, throw them into the air with excitement. 1, 2, 3! See, that was really good, but here's the deal. It's a gorgeous day. There's not a smoker in sight. I think you guys... Hear me louder than that. I said 1, 2, 3. Jeffy Poo, what you got? Thank you for throwing your child, lady. I think they can be louder though. Timing, buddy. Section, Omar. get him. What you got?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this performance of Waterworld. This show contains many pyrotechnic effects. For your safety and the safety of the performers, we ask your cooperation in remaining seated during the entire performance, keeping all aisleways clear. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of dry land, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Max! Who is it? It's a woman! Looks like it's Helen! Return signal! Open the gate! Let's go, boys!
Watch the gates! Mac, keep a lookout!
Helen!
Saints! Come help me!
Bring it in! It's good to see you alive. Where you been?
Feast your eyes on this!
It's pure dirt! How'd you come by it?
Hey, listen! I've been to dry land.
Helen, look at me! No, dry land's just a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land. But we have to hurry! The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle stations! Matt! Sound the alarm! Helen, get to the tower quick! Go! Move it! Move it! Move it! Water cannons now! Ship! Get to the gate, keep an eye out. To the right, okay? They're gonna come in fast. Let's go, people! Seaplane. They got a seaplane. Matt! I lost it! Where is it? You're my eye! Seaplane! Where is it? You got that?
Reach to the wall!
Water cannons now! Smokers!
Tiger Woods. Hey, who's giving that golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. There, guy's got my golf ball. No, it's okay. We might need these people. Bag this. Would that hurt? Yep. Walk it off. Okay. Brothers and sisters!
Hey, Deacon! You hear that? These people are not your brothers and sisters. Because these people are my people!
Shut him up.
No one tells me to shut up.
Shut up. Where was I? Hey, desolate children, you poor lost souls on this big floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody around here knows the way to dry land. Dry land, we're going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it, sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find Dryland, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the Mariner.
Oh no, the Mariner. Hey Chuck, shut the gate. You talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend? The guy that poked out my eye?
Oh no! Not the Mariner! Oh no! Oh
no! Bring me the girl. Bring her right over here, please. Hi. Smoke? I'm not finished talking to you. Don't walk away from me. I'm not your mother. Do you like games? No? You don't like games? Well, maybe you haven't played any good games. Guys, what have you got up there?
We got an acre!
Good.
And he's got dirt!
Oh, is that right? That guy's got a bag of dirt? Well, I need to know the way to dry land! So, we're gonna play a game. It's called The First One That Talks Lives.
You leave him alone! He doesn't know anything.
Good. That makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't you tell him anything.
This guy is the loser. Drop him. I don't know if they told you about me, but it's worse. You're gonna tell me where dry land is, or you will be next.
Let's hear approaching at high speed!
I'm under that thought. You've got a gun up there. Use it.
He's down!
Mariner! I think we got him.
Helen! You got something on your back. I want him dead, Chuck. Will you get up top and get that skyboat back in here? Oh, seriously. What is wrong with you? Shut up! Nick! Chuck! I'm sorry, that was my bad. I mean something bigger. Yes. Ask, and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy, look what I found. Big Bertha. Would you do me a favor up there and stand in one spot? I'm getting closer. Jaw! You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. Good luck with that. Yes! Thank you. Get up! Come on, we gotta go. Somebody signal my plane. Somebody, anybody? How do you like that? I think all of my men are dead. Dead. Finally, something we both agree on. Run that louder for me. Faster. Thank you. I got brand new vision just popped into my brain. It's brilliant. Helen, you're gonna love it. Well, you'll like it. Okay, you'll get used to it. Pilgrimage to dry land. And by the way, you're coming Oh yeah, I insist in my map. What could possibly stop me now?
My boyfriend.
What? Why don't you die? Oh! Shut up! Ah! You go pack. I'll get the plane. Narrator! Nailed it! Yeah, yes! Yeah, turn that thing around, boys, turn it around!
No! I'll get the boat!
No, you won't! You're not going anywhere. Not with a big hole in your boat!
Stop it!
Ah! Got it! Ah! No! Hit my plane! Hero! Pull it up! Ah! Way to go, you killed my plane. You think you won? I got your woman and I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? Yeah, I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. Yes, I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny!
Hey! Deacon!
What? Oh. You! I'm taking you with me!
Get! Stay on dry land! The fuel tank's gonna blow! We're not gonna make it!
Hang on!
And so the Deacon's threat is ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of Waterworld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Waterworld.
Thank you! Ladies and gentlemen, you might recognize some of our performers from CSI New York, Nick Montroy. From Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Matt LaRue. From Fatal Funnel, Pat Baxter. From Magnum PI, Omar Hayward. From The Amazing Spider-Man, Nick Hanneman. And doing that incredible 45-foot fireball from NPIS, Jeff Schreiner. Riding out of the boat are 2 heroes from Fear the Walking Dead, Brittany Servideo. And from Jason Bourne, Chris Morrison. From the School of Rock, my name is Greg Dahl. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios, Hollywood. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased you enjoyed Waterworld. In order to prepare for the next performance, we ask that you please exit the arena as soon as possible. If you would like to meet the Waterworld cast, you'll find them by the main entrance as you exit the left side of the arena. Thank you, and have a great day.